my name is Mario. We're with Willitmakeit.com. Don't try any of these stunts at home.
Oh, hi! You haven't been filming me this whole time, have you? I'm gonna have to ask for that tape back, please, sir.
Hey, all you rednecks, hot chicks, and cool dudes, this is Phoenix with Willitmakeit.com. Today, we're gonna do a Will It Make It Soup Up the Engine. We got Will It Make It Salsa, Will It Make It Tomato Soup, Will It Make It Pork and Beans, Will It Make It French Style Green Beans, and to top it all off, a little bit of a dessert of alcohol. Wait.
It's the soap that makes you clean.
We really need to degrease this engine now.
Big pork bean.
So, let's get to work. Let's see what we can do. Let's see if this thing will really run after we put all this stuff in it. It died. So, let's see if it'll start back up. And it turned over like a kitten. Will it make it? Oh yeah.
Oh, it's really bad.
Why?
I smell pickles. No, I'm trying to smell a little bit of that beans, you know?
No, we put some pork and beans in it and some
That really home country fried smell.
and some green beans and we put some wine in there. But you know, every good wine needs a cracker.
See if we can get it up to 45 this time.
I swear, this is just going like, it's gonna go forever. We don't even need, I don't even know what the deal is. We don't need gasoline. We just need all of the stuff that's in this car and it will run.
Anyway, we're gonna see if it runs some more, okay? All right, let's get it going, boy.
There's something really wrong with it, but I think we can fix it. There's the hose. This is Phoenix with Willitmakeit.com. Did we make it? Yes, we did. Tune in next week. Please do not try any of our stunts at home. We barely know what we're doing.
I don't even know.
Yeah, please don't try any of our stunts. That's perfect.
Please don't try any of our stunts.
All right.
Please don't try any of our stunts. Please don't try any of our stunts.
Please don't try any of our stunts.
Please don't try any of our
Please don't
stunts.
try any of our stunts.
You sold the
Please don't try any of our stunts.
Please don't try any of our
Please don't try any of our stunts.
It's just